The last train was canceled, and the platform felt colder than it should have been. Daniel had always believed that if he kept moving, he wouldn't have to feel the silence waiting at home. But that night, he wasn't the only one stranded. At the far end of the platform, a pair of amber eyes watched him with the same uncertainty he carried. When the city closed its doors for the night, he chose to walk, and the dog chose to follow. 10 feet apart, two strangers sharing the same empty sidewalk. He told himself it didn't matter, but when he turned around, the dog was still there. Cautious steps turned into quiet trust. And somewhere between streetlights and shadows, the distance between them disappeared. They rested beneath flickering lamps, borrowing warmth from each other and from the fading night. Morning arrived softly, as if careful not to interrupt. The city looked different at sunrise, less lonely. He realized he didn't have to walk alone anymore. At his doorway, he hesitated. Some decisions don't need words. The door opened, and for the first time in a long while, home didn't feel empty.